Today we do activities to understood about Archimedes principle with the help of ball and spring balance, and we have a container. There is a water fill up on the container. Now explain about at first buoyancy, force of buoyancy. Take the ball.
When an object is fully or partially immersed in a water, it experiences a force which is known as buoyancy force.
Okay, now suppose that I have a ball. I submerge the ball inside the water. They feel some force acting towards the ball. When I release the ball, they come outside the water. Why this is happening? Because due to force of buoyancy. Okay. Now, when I submerge the ball inside the water, first is the force acting towards the ball. This is known as force of buoyancy. And second thing, when I submerge the ball, they also displace some water. Okay. So, according to Archimedes principle, what is the Archimedes principle?
When an object fully or partially immersed in a water, it experiences a force known as buoyant force, which is equal to the liquid displaced by it.
Okay, now.
So that weight of this ball in the air is 200 gram. When I submerge the ball in the liquid, there is loss of some weight. The loss of some weight in the liquid, maybe their weight is 180 gram, 150 gram. Suppose that their weight in the liquid is 180 gram. Then there is loss of 20 gram. The weight of loss is 20 gram. And the loss of weight is equal to
Displaced water.
the weight of displaced water. Understood?
Yes.
We do through the activities. You measure the weight of the lunch box through spring balance in the air. Now their weight in the air is 1 kg 120 gram in the air. Again we measure the weight in the water. Now at first some water is displaced by lunch box. So there is change of some weight in the water and their weight becomes
145 gram.
145 gram. That is their change of weight near about 1 kg weight. Understood? Yes. We measure the weight of water displaced by this lunch box. Now, let's change the. Now there is some water inside the container. Understood? You measure the weight of this water. Now, fill the water in the container. Okay. Now their weight is 1 kg 85 gram. That means 1 kg 85 gram water is displaced by the lunch box. So Archimedes principle. What is the Archimedes principle?
When an object fully or partially immersed in a liquid, it experiences a force which is equal to the liquid displaced by it.
Okay. Now, when any object is fully or partially submerged, the substance submerged in the liquid, some water is displaced by the lunch box, otherwise any object. Due to this, there is change of some weight and this change of weight is equal to the water is displaced by the spark plug.
Yeah, any object.
Any of them. Understood?